Hello, Africa, and tell me how you're doing today. My name is BK, the president. I'm at 2K. It feels good to be here. We are back again, baby. Bigger and follow us on Facebook and YouTube as well. It's a Sports Edition ECTV, both on YouTube and Facebook. Just follow us and subscribe just so that you can get all the latest that we're having on this channel. We are so pleased to have you today. Shout out to Mr. Nate Kamakukosani, our main man behind the scenes, and salute to everyone, man, that is doing their best to make sure that we are bringing quality. The likes of Thabo Lumke, Tastibo, Abo Simjo, Abo Msihana, Abo Hood, Ongumdu Wafetu, City Salute, man. Otherwise, shout out. I'm not riding solo as always. I have my partner in the game, Tumisani Koyana, the journalist who once worked at Mamelodi Sundowns, once worked at Ajax Cape Town, once worked at Sokala Duma, and once worked at Chippa United. You were just fired after 3 days. Except Tumza. Well, can this season?
Can we not mention names, man? You know.
But yeah, we are just mentioning the institutions. No,
I was not fired. No, you're saying I was fired. I was not fired.
Okay, special leave.
No, I didn't even sign a contract.
Special leave.
No, I didn't even sign a contract.
Are you good?
Number one, Tata Weda. Yeah, man. Second episode of the third episode. Yeah, episode 3 of 2026. Like we've been saying, you know, Nkosi to everyone who's watching, everyone that is subscribed, and we're slowly trying to make people understand. And they need to follow the page. There's a confusion of which we're trying to explain each and every time. Kune page here to Sports Edition ECTV.
Sure, yeah.
Then there's NEFO Podcast. NEFO Podcast is the mother.
Yeah, the yes.
Yeah, I understand. And then there's Sports Edition ECTV, which is where we want people to focus on, because there we strictly give sports. Sports, everything, but it's not the main focus, but because Buffalo City, we Emeka.
It's always, man.
Emeka,
it's always the case.
You know, Emeka.
Yeah.
Are we still the Emeka?
For sure, we are. If players of Brazil, they can go to Europe, but if Brazil will always remain as one of the countries that produce footballers. So, for us to produce the boxers that are going to,
but is Brazil still producing the best players?
They still are.
Okay, name me 2 players from that you can say best players from Brazil.
Of course, who's this guy that is playing for Real Madrid?
Who?
The Vinicius. He's one of the best players.
Yeah,
but I can. Banis, the talent is still there, but you cannot belittle to Brazil because of the players are not playing home. You know, so
exactly.
We produce. Oh, there's a lot, man. Today
we're
not alone, bro. We have a special guest. Goes by the name of Lonwabo Longi Vetboy. The man that is not shy to write, a boxing trainer. I'm not sure if he's a manager, but today you're going to explain very well. Gogba, who is also a manager now, a businessman, a family man. Ladies and gentlemen, help us to welcome the special guest, Longi Lonwabo Vetboy Umtungi. Good. Makwekweta.
That's my grandfather's name.
Oh, yes.
Perfect, yeah.
Nice one.
Makwekweta.
Yeah, Makwekweta. Yeah.
What does it mean?
Makwekweta means an expert.
Yeah, expert.
Genius.
Ingwela.
Yeah, Ingwela.
Oh, okay.
So that's my grandfather's name. Mama Katata.
Okay.
I mean, Utata ka mama wam.
Oh, I thought nickname.
Makwekweta Elias Yeka.
Jeez, bro. Yeah. Otherwise, are you good, Longst?
No, I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Yeah.
I can't complain.
Good, man. 2026, you and the club, family, everything, the business as well. 2026, so far?
Yeah, so far. Yeah, we've just gone back to training. So I could say on the boxing side, it's good. On the family side, everything is good as well. On the business side, well, we haven't really kicked off.
Okay.
We haven't really kicked off yet. But but we'll catch up.
Ngiyakusaqala madoda.
Of course.
Abona abantu abaright ngotishara nabantu bakwamasipala.
Yeah.
Government, not masipala government.
Sekufitshane.
But when I PK and fundo make sithi ndifuna njema iqala ziplug ndifuna yabo kuliwe ziplug.
Okay. Yeah.
Ndifuna kuliwe ziplug.
Yeah, man. Last year we gave you title yokokuba ube matchmaker lapha ku channel. So yeah, man. We are gonna give you that time.
So that is Spanish
Tali. Yeah, man. So
if it's possible, but ngikwazi uthetha Spanish katali nicho ba you like it whatever.
Tali no touches. Yeah. So we want to give you that Dumza so that to make umakwekweta as a cliche.
I feel at home. Akhulule bhaji.
Yeah, just our icebreaker.
Yeah,
man.
It's very simple, name. It's like the options is a fights when I just give me the winner. Okay. Until the final.
Okay.
Yeah, but bengafuni be dimension a weight zabo, but
yeah, but still it's still no.
I think
no, it doesn't. No.
If we talk liwa kuthiwe uyenathi Stele ulwa noNqothole bani wena Nqothole
Can you look here.
Okay. Kuthiwe
but easily, yeah.
Easy.
I feel like easy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'll go for Nqothole as well.
Kuthiwe uCaba noBoy.
I'd give to Boy. Boy being Moise. I'd give it to Moise.
Yeah, for sure.
And then uNqothole noBoy.
I'd give it to Nqothole.
Nqothole.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey.
You know.
Nqothole is slightly above.
Yeah, he's been there.
Kanjani?
No, he's been around Nqothole for quite some time.
Kodwa Moise yasikhoza isivunguvungu bras.
Yeah, for sure. The future is there.
Is there?
I always say that. Yeah.
Okay. Sizikle yesibini. Ay, ingathi nobusokolesana le. uJaga uShenge uSpesihle no Prince Nocela.
So uzothatha bani?
Bantamweight.
Bandam. I'd give it to Prince Nocela.
Yeah. Prince Nocela, yeah.
Umalajika noNceke.
Yo.
Mike.
I'd give it to Unceke.
Unceke.
Yeah, men down.
Men down.
Yeah, I'd give it to men down.
So enye bunikeze
Prince
Nocela.
Yeah.
So Nocela noNceke.
Unceke.
Okay. Ayizakhala sehle yoko siye kwi junior featherweight siyacela manje kumuntu ophanga phandle isicela sponsor ese hydration amanzi lo siyacela size kwi junior featherweight ayabulela Xatyana noHlatshwayo.
I don't know Hlatshwayo, but I ngizonika intwana yami uXatyana.
Yeah, okay.
Siye ku Hem
Showtime.
Hem nomlati. I am.
Eh?
Hem.
Yeah, we am.
Hey. Xatyana Hem.
I am. Based on experience.
Yeah.
Based on experience.
Showtime still.
Ziyakhala kule group. Judah Fly. Upele. Noteis.
Bani Pele.
Ozipele.
Days.
For
Okay.
days. Yeah.
Days usandon.
Peter Tongwan.
Tongwan. Tongwan. Obvious Tongwan.
Obvious.
Obvious Tongwan.
Last one Tongwan na Days.
Tongwan.
Rematch.
So rematch.
Yeah.
Ay. PK. When you think I don't go ndozithethwayo.
Yeah, no, that was the divisions as South Africa the boxers as South Africa, which is abanye abantu they are not even know them. You know, it goes back at Dumza Glando Slala Seite talk about the visibility of the boxers.
Yeah.
In terms of social media, Eastern Cape doesn't know a boxer at KZN.
Okay.
You know, i-boxer yaseGauteng esizaziyo zi-boxer ezisuka apha e-East London.
Yeah.
You know, so it's always the case that our boxers are not there. You know, you hear kuba umntu yi-SA champion, but uyaqala nokuva igama lakhe, you know, okanye wase-KZN, i-champion wase-KZN, but awumazi igama lakhe. So it always go back kwi-visibility.
But asikagqibi.
Yeah.
So ke top 4.
Top 4.
So ke top 4.
Let's go kuyo.
Sisheke noNqothole.
Okay.
noNceke. noHem. noThongwane.
Yo.
As a matchmaker ke qonba.
Deal and swembu masiday.
Fake sponsors yonke into intwana yami.
Safuneka zibe zodwa kwizibhoxa ezibiza imali.
We need one.
Sifuni winner.
Yeah.
Sithi Nqothole versus Thongwane.
Thongwane.
Hey.
No.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
I clear when it comes to that.
uHem noNceke.
Uhem noNceke. Enxeke.
Mentown.
Mentown.
Yeah,
Menjizi.
Mentown.
Final Nceke. Thongwane.
Nceke Thongwane. Based on styles. Can I just elaborate? Based on styles.
It's up to you.
I think Thongwane would be too fast and too slick. For Mentown. Mentown is a bit sluggish.
Ne.
So I'd say Thongwane on board.
So on points.
On points.
No knockout.
No
Next.
knockout.
All the way.
All the way. All the way.
You.
So we went with Thongwane.
Okay. Nice one.
Hike.
I know it. For sure, people they will decide. Ngabo bazodecide. It was ICT, but yeah, niyazibonela ukuba ngubani.
Hotman decided.
Yeah, i-ICC iqhekezile.
Is it based on association or based on
No, mkhulu wami nge-feelings.
feelings? So it's not feelings.
Feelings.
Association. No feelings. Once we associate with someone, no feelings is young.
Yeah.
Feelings is cool.
We have the special guest Tumza, as we said.
Yeah,
we would like you
man.
to introduce yourself, man. Ebantwini bazi okokuba xa sithetha ngolonwabo lonke Vetboy nezinto ekudala sizibala ngawe also in the business and also you're busy with boxing. So who is Lonwabo Vetboy?
Gowapi.
Okay.
Sivula intungo.
Yeah.
No, I think we should have a section classical Kazazis.
But basically
we should do that.
Yeah.
No, like we should do that because mostly like yabo.
Ungakwazi uvula intungo.
No, samvulela.
Samvulela noma kanjani. Yeah, because it says it's still coming.
Sure.
Yeah, masimnike man. Asingayiphazamis ingwenye izawuzazi introduce. Let's go. Just to introduce yourself, know you better today.
Okay. Dingu Lonwabo Vetboy. But igama enibizwa ngalo, i-nickname igama enikhula ngalo nguLonki. Lonki Vetboy. I was born in Phakamisa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Way back, I was born in Phakamisa. Both my parents are from there. My father is from Phakamisa.
Okay.
Sure.
My mother is from Phakamisa, but they moved to East London. My father moved first, way in the early 80s.
Okay.
So I grew up here. Up, and my parents also settled up in Tanzania. So yeah, that's where I come from.
Down up in Tanzania.
Wow.
Khulele kwa 10.
Ayibo.
But apho ngikhulele khona kahle kwa 17.
Oh.
Yeah, kwa 17.
Masaba
Kwa 800.
Ngoba benza ba proud ukuthi ngoka 10 uzolwa yichintsha yonke.
Kwa 10 dandlula kwa 10.
So umdanzana uphethe.
Yeah.
Ukhula phakathi kweboxing. Kwa Vetboy ivelaphi the love of boxing kuwe udibanaphi ne business of boxing?
Boxing dibena from my father.
Sure.
Yeah, from my father who spoke Vetboy. He was a boxer from a king. Qala kwakhe boxer, then he moved to come and box to East London.
Okay.
That's how we also came to settle this side. So I box like era yomqhaji. Yeah, way back. They were in the same stable.
Serious?
Yeah, Nomqhaji was a sparring partner.
Happy boy.
Yeah, Happy Boy.
Yeah.
Serious?
But yeah,
Serious, bro?
So that's where I inherited the love for boxing. Then after boxing, he opened a boxing stable, Ilukanyo Boxing Club,
Okay.
for 1985. The one I'm running now.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes. So he's been running that club from 1985. Then he took a break for a few years, for a lot of years. Then he came back again, I think in 2018, 2019.
Yo.
Yeah, then he retired again permanently.
Okay.
So I took over the business in the boxing stable.
So when he was running the stable from the 80s, who were some of the well-known or prominent boxers that came out from his stable side?
From that stable, there were boxers like Otembile Lubisi.
Okay.
Don't know if you've heard of Otembile, Lone Cobra.
Yeah.
Otembile Lubisi.
Yeah.
Otembile Lubisi, Osimpiwe, Simpwe Mfaniso, Simpwe Pamana, and many other prospects. Otembile Tom is an official referee.
Yeah,
A lot. Omadwata futhi, many of them.
Ungakanani wena ngokwenzeka yonke lento? Kwenzeka ntoni, like iTime is running a boxing club. Kwenzeka ntoni?
Ekuqaleni bengayi-understand mos because yabona ndingumntana ndisakhula. But
Yeah.
now xa ndicinga ngoku there were always people endlini.
Okay.
There were always people. There were always people. So I thought most of them were family. Yeah, because abanye would stay over, abanye would come for supper, abanye there was always abantu moving around, moving around the house. It's only later, and also there was always boxing on TV. There was always boxing, boxing, videos of boxing. Ukono Mnet endlini.
Soft life.
So ukubukela boxing, ngibukela boxing as a fighter sekuseni. So danvuka nami xa ngibukela. Ngithanda uhlala pha. Phakathi kwemilenze ye-time xa ibukela i-boxing ekuseni ambukela i-boxing. So that's where the seed was planted. Boxing, that's where it was planted until ke ngoku I realized, but no, actually he's running a boxing club kwa 13 Howard. That's where davuleka khona nge-boxing. Okay, in fact, no man, lo mshito run a boxing club, the boxers that I see around the house. Yeah.
Okwazi nqo.
Kakhulu. Ndisinxibile. So yeah, that's where the love for boxing came from.
Nice.
That's where the love for boxing.
Nice. Xa uthetha ngoTaster uTom, ndiye ndabona enye ibhawuti ibiveziwe ngo-1997, 23 February e-Orient Theatre. Ngoba xa njonga phaa i-admission wangenwa nge-20 rand.
20 rand.
Yeah.
Mzukwana.
I-main bout yayinguLinda Schoolboy Memani and uThembi Nkosi Blow wangaphe eUtnech. So xa njonga, so you remind me those xa manje njonga phaa kuTali manje ndithumelele ezweni. Abantu i-fight zango-1989 vonini ngenwa nge-10 rand.
10 rand.
Yeah, so yeah man, it's a good thing. But ke ngoku wayithatha le Bayton kuTime, and here we are today. Ungomnye wabantu that we've been around up eMdantsane, East London, South Africa, and around the world as well. You've been usebenza ne-boxers. Ulongivet Boy is he a trainer, a manager, or trainer
slash manager?
Okay. He's a manager.
Okay.
Because he's licensed as a manager.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And it must boxing South Africa category.
Yes.
Take trainers, license, managers, promoters, etc. So I'm licensed as a boxing manager, but I train my own boxers with my assistant.
Okay.
The same way Colin does. The same thing that Colin does. He trains his boxers.
Yes.
Manages as well, and a whole lot of other people.
No, man.
It's confusing.
Oh.
Information overload.
of which, that's why we're here. We need to dissect that information.
Sure.
So that everyone who's watching at home, who sees clips on TikTok, wherever, they need to understand this is what happens in the world of boxing.
Mm-hmm.
The boxing manager, but you fall into trainer, Yonkeland.
Yeah. The reason is Zohluliwezo categories is to separate the two roles.
Okay.
Because if you are licensed as a trainer, you cannot play a role as a manager. You cannot negotiate for your boxers. You cannot. Yes, you are licensed as a trainer.
We train,
and it is the duty of the manager to negotiate on behalf of the boxer. So as much as you can, if you're doing it, like trying to use squad.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but when it comes to paperwork,
It's not
and
there.
having maybe
Separately.
to appeal to Boxing South Africa for issues concerning a boxer. But you are licensed as a trainer. Why are you appealing on behalf of the best issues a boxer and whatnot, issues with the promoters?
Yeah.
So rather be licensed as a manager. You can negotiate for a boxer.
But
You can train boxers if you are able to.
able to.
Bakhona abantu abazimanager strictly.
Strictly.
But do you feel are the people outside there, the boxing followers, the boxing lovers, that understand ezo zinto? Do you feel when now from your side, do you think abantu abayijongayo they understand by iyenzeka loo nto, or they always have la perception about if we trainer, if we manage, we manage?
I don't think the general public actually knows, separates the roles.
The roles.
Yabona umuntu obona ulonke esekoneni uthi trainer.
Oh,
Whereas
yeah.
I'm licensed as a manager.
Sitsho njalo.
Sitsho njalo thina.
Yeah, exactly. Yabo. So it's boxing fans who know
Like deep.
yeah, but okay, he's a boxing manager. He's able to do this and this and this. He's a boxing trainer. Yeah, so abantu still need to be educated.
Sure.
Exactly. About what role does it play? Sometimes kuyabona no braba nxibe suit ekoneni. Anxibe ukuthi hayi ufuna uvele TV kanti manager. Yeah, but he's not a trainer yena.
Yeah.
He's a manager playing purely role a manager.
Jeez.
I think we needed that. This is the right time that you can educate the public to understand better the role of a manager, the role of a trainer. Because at the moment, I can see Gogba, amehlo akwi managers is a boxer. What is the main role of a manager, a boxer? Kube kukhona ne promotion a boxer iphansi kwayo.
Okay. A role of the manager is to be a go-between, is to be the
Negotiator.
yes,
Middleman.
yes, between is the voice of the boxer.
Okay.
If be football, mhlambe, I would say agent.
Agent. Yeah.
A manager.
A manager is the one who handles the affairs of the boxer. From the boxer having to have a trainer. That is the duty of the manager.
Okay.
A boxer has to have a trainer. A boxer has to have training equipment. There has to be a training facility. There has to be sponsorships. He has to generate income. That is the manager. Who manages the yongele career boxer? Going as far as negotiating for the boxer, we promote.
Okay.
It's a manager.
Manager.
Managing the career. A navigator, basically. Navigating the career, which parts.
Singangena kule kona, singaphuma kulena sithini.
Manager ilengalali ebusuku kwi-calls, kwi-emails. That's the manager.
Do you have the feeling that maybe the promoters they interfere your job as a managers, like want to control the deal of a boxer over you as a manager? Because be akodwa up engathi ngondikhaphile le boxer
Umtshakazi.
but oyena mntu usixelela ba what to do as a promoter. Yabo. Do you have that feeling about the promoters sometimes they take that they overlook you as a manager, especially up in South Africa?
Yeah, definitely. I'm not gonna lie about that. Promoters, they do buy skippy boundaries.
Okay.
I won't say all promoters.
Yeah,
I'll be
certain,
honest.
certain.
But I've come across promoters who skippy boundaries as who try to go beyond the role of a promoter and stepping into the actual managing of the boxer, where the boxer has no say. Firstly, where the manager has no say, it's either the promoter's way or the boxer's way. Zikhona instances ezinjalo. I mean, it's well known, it's well documented. There've been stories 20 years back. So yes, promoters they have the upper hand in this case because they are the ones who fund the tournament, who fund the activity, the boxers. So that is the power they have over the boxer and the manager.
The manager. But kune custodians each and every sport.
Yeah.
There's custodians. It's the players and the supporters.
Sure.
Yeah? It's the players and the supporters. But at the end of the day, anything that happens, the main beneficiary should be the main attraction, which is the boxing.
Yeah.
Ne? And I think Nati, it's what we're trying to make people understand, or we're trying to change. You know, the boxer needs to be the main attraction. It's not about OPK, Uteni, Ubanu, Uteni.
Sure.
It should be about the boxer at the wellness. Like, does he have a life after?
Yes.
You understand? So, they don't understand. But is there a way now that we can maneuver so that isn't those change? Because now, but in modern time, generations are changing.
Yeah. There is a way that lendos ingalungiswa, bro. Yabo? But it's going to take an effort from everyone concerned.
Okay.
But now, let me start from Lenda, but the main attraction should be the boxer.
Yeah.
Yes, that goes beyond saying. E-boxer is the main attraction. But now, when you don't have financial muscle, when you are dependent on someone else,
Yeah. Sure.
You can be the center, all you want. But if I know I am able to give you a tournament, to make a tournament for you to fight, who has the power there? It's the promoter.
The promoter.
You know, a boxer can be good, can be talented, he can get as much attention, but as long as he's not able to promote himself, a boxer does not often promote himself. It's very rare, especially here in South Africa. You will only get that overseas, where Floyd were able to promote themselves, where there was no middleman between them and their money.
Yeah.
They went straight to their money. But now in South Africa, we have a situation where who gets funded by the government for boxing tournaments? It's the promoters.
Not the managers.
Not the managers, not the boxer.
So you're saying they can't maneuver and get themselves there?
It can. I mean, there's always a solution. There's always a solution. But now, another thing, a block is how boxing is structured with the Boxing Act.
Okay.
The current Boxing Act, where there are already acts in place of how things should go, even though some are not even benefiting the boxer now as they should. Yeah, but because the power now is given to the promoter.
Okay.
If we were to promoter has the power, bro.
Yeah.
The promoter, if you go against the promoter, because they can accept benching.
Oh, I see.
Mega benching the promoter. If we are so the promoter has the power. Yes, the boxer should be, but the promoters.
So it's kusazoba into eqhubekekayo le the fight between promoter and the managers
and boxer.
And the boxer as well, particularly lapha kuthi because most of the time people they seeing e-boxers as abantu that are desperate for ipes, you know, and sometimes as a manager, you know, kokuba i-boxer yakho khangilwe for a year, then there's a promoter and say ndingayifaka le ntwana kwi-bill yam and we're going to give it 30,000. And the boxer it needs that money, and now we manage kodwa ke you've been not fighting for quite some time, then let's take it. So you are being falling if victims is because of you don't have you don't have that much say. Promoters
PK, I'm not gonna mention the boxer's name. He posted it. It was a question. This is an open-ended type of question. Have you ever seen a boxer ekhulele with soft life?
Yeah. It's always the case.
Most boxers that I want to move out of
Soft life.
hardship, bafunela life ingapha.
Yeah, for sure.
So to an extent that as a sports boxing, I think there's connotations around sona as a sports boxing is that sibukeka as a sports over
Poverty.
poverty sport.
I don't like
You
that.
understand? No, like
Yes, I don't like that narrative. Boxing.
It's
Abantu perpetuate it.
It is. How do we change that perception when I look in I think Tina Song we of the same age group.
Yeah.
But how do we change that perception of boxing? It's a sport of poverty. It's the sport that takes you out of poverty. It used to be like that with soccer.
Yeah. It used to be like that.
Yeah.
But
So.
now, soccer is no longer as a sport. So, you have abazali that are willing to pay to abandona babu to go
To invest,
train.
yes.
But now, boxing, itshintshwa njani la mentality?
Just
Yabona, what you are saying, Tumza, it's a way of thinking that I'm totally against.
okay.
Because it sets a negative tone from the onset. If you're going to label boxing as a poor man's sport. Now imagine taking a child from his punzan.
Yeah.
That child is already in poverty,
Cool.
right? That child is already staying in poverty.
Yeah.
You're taking him from poverty. And I'm taking you from poverty to a poor man's sport. You know, it's how we label boxing that you know, boxing is not necessarily a poor man's sport nowadays. If you are able to navigate your way.
If you know.
Boxing has turned people to millionaires, bro.
Yeah.
Of course.
You know, millionaires were here, right? You know, but
Which one?
I'm not
Azange sana millionaire.
But they've been
The
millionaires.
millionaires been here.
Some don't even say they're millionaires, but
Yeah.
but they've made money. Course, they've made money. But the thing is now, those are not the stories that we talk about.
Yeah.
I mean, people have become millionaires in front of us watching, bro. They were living the life we were watching.
Is it a matter of transparency? Or if ndiyazazi mba ndibambile lewe yama ndizochaza ba xanza kulonke ubhike ndidila ndiyenze ngohlobo lewe.
Not transparency, yes, ke mhlawumbi, but ku-inherita izinto ekhulu ezithethe ubusithethe ngokusingekho need yazo.
Okay.
Okwakuthiwa i-boxing sisport sensokolo kusabhoksa umqaji.
Back in
Yabona
the
nangoku umuntu is driving a Mercedes Benz uthi boxing is sport sensokolo. Not saying where boxing took him from.
Yeah.
But business boxing.
Business boxing.
Right now.
But is boxing is a business yabantu abaphu.
What are you saying to the kids? Well, I mean, I cannot tell a child who still wants to box, but hey, this is a poor man's sport. What's the point? So it's people's way of thinking. Change. Yes, it's izinto. There's been issues with people being exploited and whatnot and whatnot. That is bound to happen if there's money involved. But it's the stereotype that we still continue to push. Sports abantu abasokolayo. 2 millionaire. Chumdanini usafuna uboxa. Hayi bro.
I know mna ndiyakuva particularly kule role ye manager, because I think abantu they needed a thorough explanation, the manager, because Tina as abantu boxing xa sesibhala kuyo on socials we sithi uginqana uthathe imali encinci, you know, not knowing ukuba uginqana ka sign uya sign as well as a boxer, but it doesn't negotiate the deal from the start. You know, there's a manager that's supposed to negotiate the deals and everything, you know. But now sikulento sikuyo ngokwemzansi Africa, hopefully that i-boxers akho they will not fall kwinto siyibonayo fighting with the promoters kuyo yonke lento yenzekayo. How do you equip your boxers and make sure kokuba i-boxers akho they are the part of the deal? You are not just finalizing the deal. Do you even open the space as manager kokuba okay
nansi
imali ekuthiwa ikhona uyakhala okanye uthi it's fine? Because sometimes thina okanye sizofumana ithuba lokuba sigxeke i-managers ba hayi mthathele imali encinci. Then i-boxers nice say when they have managers with i-manager yakhe.
Yeah, boxers definitely they do have a say, because at the end of the day, of course, sometimes the managers mostly work with limited budgets.
Okay.
I told okay, lay fight, sine budget 200,000 for this fight. So like 200,000 has to be split between the two opponents.
Yeah, for sure.
Someone has to get 120, someone has to get 80.
In terms of FPS?
Yeah, in terms of FPS.
Yeah, the best.
The ones are more overs, but managers sometimes they work with a limited budget.
Okay.
But so now whatever you go and talk to the boxer, you have to talk about the budget that is there for that fight. But if you are a skillful manager, you are negotiate, you are change izinto. If we are going to get 100, out of that deal of money 120. Yeah, but it also depends on who you're negotiating with as well.
Okay.
Yeah, but so yeah, it goes like that. But another thing that I want to put across is the importance of having a manager. Yeah, because the manager cushions the blows that the boxer could have taken in terms of having to argue, having to fight with the promoter. The manager cushions that. And another thing, a real manager knows the worth and value of a boxer. I know how much my boxers should fight for. No, I know. I know. I know how much. I know the worth of my boxers. I know the talent that I bring to them.
Okay.
I know the excitement that I will bring to the fans.
Okay.
You know, I know how hard this boxer works. So that's value. You know,
the value.
It goes back to the thing ye Mecca, who's the face, ye Mecca and stuff. What do you have to do as a boxer to
be the face?
To be the face. But asizoyithetha ngoku, sizayithetha later on.
But for later.
Yeah, but sayibekile ngawonke. But what Longi is saying, it's very critical and it's very important. Ndizawuza kwel side loba, you as a trainer and a manager, a boxer, value, how do you determine value?
Sure.
Your boxer yakho. You understand ba? Hey, value yale cup 40 rand based on I bought an empty cup, the printer 19. Now I'm saying I'm selling it for 60 rand. Okay. How do you value boxer yakho?
Okay, I'm not speaking for all boxing managers. I'll speak for myself.
Yeah, for yourself.
How I measure value, in terms of what I see in the future, what I see the boxer doing in the future.
Okay.
It starts from the actual talent, how much talent he has. Because as trainers and managers, you are able to assess and measure talent. But okay, this boy is very talented. Given the right fights, the right promoter, it could be a Sive Nonjinga. It starts their value. You know, there were boxers who came in at professional with high value, or Sive came in with a very high value.
Yeah.
From what he had done,
how much?
That also contributes. You know, your
amateur record.
Does it?
Yeah, definitely. It does. I mean, if you're part of Team South Africa, for example, amateur credentials they do increase in value because a boxer who's been to Olympics, I mean an Olympian, you know,
the value of course
skyrockets immediately. But then this is South Africa, of course. Again, there's that limited.
That's why Benza Mubuza alone.
Umzekelo JJ Sonjik. He was in the same Olympics with AJ Anthony Joshua.
Jeez,
Anthony Joshua is a multi-million.
Where is Joshua now?
So they were ikhawuleza indlela Anthony Joshua because of amateur. Yeah, fast track, that's the right way. Fast track because of amateur credentials. Or Floyd Mayweather, you know, the
Olympians.
He lost to
Hawk Makepula was an Olympian.
Yeah, 96.
Yeah.
Hawk, 96.
Yeah,
it was 96.
Hawk was for the world title.
You know, or Pumzile Mahila, they were Olympians. By the time they get chocolate, the time they get to professionals, you can't pay them the same as you would pay someone.
You look at when they turn to professional. Are you negotiating based on the brand that is an Olympian?
Yeah, because not everyone gets to go to Olympics. Yeah, or
go to Africa Games.
Africa Games.
So everyone,
Commonwealth Games.
You have to go through. It means now you've gone through fire, you've gone through things that other ones were not able to go through. Whether you've made it to the Olympics, you can't be paid the same. And so Olympics have beaten people around the world.
Yeah.
When you find out aphe into
so if you look at the one that is currently turned to a professional balentwana kanene yaseTangeni village uGonqa uAmila is there because it's been around now with Africa amateur youth, all those games. So and I believe because now he has a good record as well, amateur, and now we turn to a professional just recently. So it's always help iba record yako from amateur to professional,
Yeah.
it will always be part of the negotiations.
It's an added advantage.
Jeez.
It's an added advantage.
Yeah.
Yeah, surely Ugonga should with the right people behind him.
With the
It
right
should,
people.
Yeah, it should. Sometimes who's in your corner matters a lot.
Hey. Do you think sometimes kulento siyithethayo ukuba abantu basekoneni yakho they always matter? The boxers kumaxesha amaninzi they don't have abantu, especially kwazimkile apha eBCM. Now moving to Gauteng, you have different people, different culture, and now there are new people that are negotiating your deals. Do you think mhlawumbi okokuba ngaba ndikhule no Amila Ogonqa, the manager from amateur up until now, do you think it can help okokuba ingamncedisa to fast track indlela yakhe to world championship, all of those things with boxing? Because sometimes we feel okokuba, I think it was tough sometimes ebesilo apha, then abanye abantu they were saying if ebehame nomuntu walapha eBCM, you know, sorry to mention igama lakhe, but the boxers ezihambayo eBCM zifike kwela cala, new people ekoneni, from the manager, the trainer and everything, it affects our boxers ukuba zingabi zizo ezinto sifuna sicingele okanye sinqwenela ubaba bezizo when they went to Gauteng.
Yeah, it does. It does because you can never compare umuntu oyikhulisile ibox oyazi mhlawumbe na 10 years, let's say uChief.
Yeah.
Ukhulise azingafuzile umzekelo okanye uNomeva, lezo umzekelo ngoNomeva. Ukhulise uNomeva from the age of 10 years. Umcompetition nomuntu odibene noNomeva
ena 28.
Yeah.
Uhlobo zabantoni. Lo ukhulise uNomeva knows uNomeva in and out.
Yeah.
Because with the boxer you create a bond.
Yeah.
You create a bond.
Emotions.
It also translates when you get to tough fights. There is a fight that I thought, if there was someone alapho who could be a familiar voice to the boy.
Yeah. Emotional.
I'll get to that one. Yeah, but someone who's able to tap into, to switch on. Yeah, but also something that provokes a boxer to do more. At Joburg, yes, it's corner resources, but corner la shortage. They don't know how to tap into a boxer's to psyche. I'll make an example. I'll fight Kakuse.
Yeah.
Ukuse nala
Jerusalem. Yeah.
Ukuse just needed a familiar voice there.
Because was there in the
I mean, umuntu ongazuthetha English.
Thetha isiXhosa.
Umuntu ozatfondela usuka kwa8 egalini.
Uphi ngoku?
Usuka kwa8 egalini ufuna uphuma kwela gali.
Yeah.
Uyabona, so that's the intimate difference ngasoze siyibone thina. Because the boxers they need that thing. Yes, you'll have all the resources, you'll have everything, but are you able to grab those opportunities now when it matters? Umzekelo had a very great opportunity, this close to getting it. Just needed a voice.
It was very close.
Just needed a familiar voice. Lomdo maziyo.
Yeah. And
Lomdo maziyo. So that's the difference.
Do you guys have those conversations when this boy is, okay, you're a manager, you manage a career, and then boxer die, he wants to leave. Do you guys have these conversations when they leave by your Jews? Okay, sure, via your trainer, training methods zethu apha, they're not the same.
Not the same.
But
Of course.
you need land, or do you guys have those conversations, or ilanba wambi la iska?
Hey, kumele nakuba uhambe njani mfowethu.
Yeah.
I mean, I mean, we're not going to have that conversation on share kagubi. Yeah, but abantu run the boxing stables differently. Abanye they run them with an iron fist. Abanye they're more open to communication. But so it depends. If you are able to open good channels of communication with your boxer, the boxer you can read it displeasure. I go grandly. Okanye boxer can even say, "Hey, but mandiyabawela umuva." Yabo, ndiyabawela kunoma kanjani. Then uqonda masike ndise ngokwami kunoma kanjani.
Is he the pinnacle of boxing in South Africa? Why? Because every time we talk, is he the pinnacle of boxing in South Africa? Is he the one that opens doors for boxers in South Africa?
Yeah, he is, bro. I mean, we can't. Colin gets things done.
But okay,
of course,
gets things done.
The reason why I pose the question, I'm asking in terms of the moment you allow one person to do into yena from side one, it becomes ndoba now. It's focused on the area A1. Is he filtering it in kwabanye abantu ba hey ekse yena is he all about after ngibone ulonke ba hey uBK umenze wa right ngami ndothatha uBK ngimsese ngapha or is in terms of ba lonke groom nawe uzawuthini ohlobo nohlobo just to grow the sport ingabi bonele ifanele ifanele musixa ugalela ungagalela yonke into ifanele but iphuma in the way one.
Sure, for sure.
So is he the funnel of boxing South Africa?
Yeah, I mean Colin is my friend. I'm honest about it. He is, bro, because look, Use everyone has to go through there.
Past him.
And also I don't know to answer and do it but as but I can't get boxers or not now. I don't know how he operates his business. But now when I see him, I see a businessman. He's in business.
Okay.
We are all in business in this.
Yeah, you
know, he's not about friendship. He's about his business. I won't say about himself. No, it's about his business. Because that's everyone is running a business. He has hot box, gym. That's his business. I have Lucanio Boxing Club. That's my business. There's someone else with another that you run your business the way you see fit, and how it's gonna benefit you.
No, he is Dooms. Because
we need to have that guy.
No, we'll have him. We'll have him.
We need to have that guy.
Yeah, we'll have him.
He's gonna be here next month.
Next time.
Okay.
Yeah. But for me, I think we lost the touch as a maker to make things happen for the boxers. If you track back, during the era of Ozolani Tete, Vetyega, and or go back to go abantu, we negotiate them. Ndifuna ukuthi bona, even though bebezenza izinto zenzeka bese Gauteng no Mitchell, but bebethi make sure kokuba there is a boxer and the manager involved and the trainer esuka apha. But we lost that ngoku. I-boxers zihamba zodwa ziyazihambela, you know, ziyazihambela siyiluzephi because besinayo lento. It's not ayiqali ngokuba kumke umuntu eMdantsane, but ibikhona lanto kokuba okay
sihambe nemanager
nemanager yayo ibe khona netrainer yayo ibe khona mhlawumbi kwezinye, you know. But where do we lost that touch ngoku?
Mali, bro. I-boxing now we are talking imali ezinkulu.
Come closer.
Sometimes kunzima kubox ukhupha la percentage manager. Kodwa you are me bra.
That's it.
Kodwa you are me bra. Mandimiyeke malu manager mandikhangela itrainer enza inike smaller card. Yabo. Kanye ndizihambele ndiye Joburg. Ndiyazi be Joburg so and so uzatsala nje ikhathi encinci nandisheke yami imali. Yabo, so the more money there is, there's bound to be dishonesty. And there's bound to be
but inzima xa izaba lolo hlobo, bro, because now we breeding abantu who are very dishonest. They're not there to grow the sport of boxing. They're there to benefit themselves.
Yeah.
Because anzokwazi uba busy nawe wena Grootman for so long, and then kuzothi uPK athi uPK miye kuDumza man. Nathi la 10% kaDumza, la 15% kaDumza akazi ngasangela sibamba ngapha bro.
Yeah.
Kune boxer before we shut and leave, because producer wethu uthi sine 10 minutes eshekileyo.
Yeah.
uBlom. Like I know the guy personally. His journey, I met him at UWC.
Yeah.
Okay.
Was Netembo Blom. The reason I'm asking is someone been this like, hey, I extend about no loan. Ask him about Blom, his thoughts on Blom as a boxer, as a person, and what happened to Blom after the fight.
Okay. Blom, yo. I have an emotional story with Blom.
Yeah.
He's just him as a person, him as a man.
Yeah.
He's one of my favorite people in the world, and one of my favorite people in the sport of boxing. Surely you've interacted with us.
Cool.
So, Usne unfortunately then got injured in his last fight with Upusakwe. He got injured, but he was cleared.
Okay.
After, if you remember the story, Joburg on his bedside. Yeah, so he was cleared, he got a clean bill of health.
Sure.
Yeah, so he was considering ubuya. I was like, hey, but let's not. It's not worth the risk. It's not worth the risk. But I've never come across a boxer like Blom.
His personality.
Yeah, his courage. His loyalty.
Jeez, man.
I've never come across.
Come across anything. Lauti, I met him at UWC 2014, 15. I'm not sure. At Renong Luandi, so
Yes.
When out, like. I'm like, nah, man, we're the same age, but Utlon he's not a professional.
Yeah,
he's still
sure.
playing amateur. He's going all Africa, and Utlon is traveling out to all these African countries to play. Professional. He's making more money. Amateur.
Yeah.
We had a chat with Panda.
Yeah, of
he
course.
said the same thing. Who else? I don't know who else said the same thing, but is there money at amateur than professional boxing?
Yeah, there is now, depending where you are fighting. You know, some boxers, they get paid in dollars there.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, they come back with more money. How much?
You couldn't.
I'm telling you, they get paid my $5,000 US.
He contracts US or the rands.
We need one get check. I was born a match up pay check $5,000 US.
Yeah, I can see.
IPA. So there is some money.
Okay.
Now, if you make money there, you're comfortable with making those dollars there. You can stay.
Sir, you have boxer under your wings, the likes of Aphiwe Mboyiya and the likes of Kingana Brothers as well. Just and also Sharadin is still under your wing.
Yeah, she's under.
Oh, okay. Just tell us about these Kingana Brothers. There's someone that is always pushing on inbox. So, please bring those Kingana Brothers, man. Yeah, please bring those Kingana Brothers. Tell us about the Kingana Brothers. Bangabantu banjani ukusebenza nabo and ubona the future about these boys.
The Kingana Brothers are two brothers. They are 1 year apart.
Shumel, sure.
So they are both my boxers. Uhlumelo is lightweight.
Okay.
He's lightweight, rated number 3 in the country. Okay. It's unbeaten. Oyisa Kingana is junior bantamweight, rated number 8, unbeaten. They are very, very, very bright prospects.
Sure.
You know, they are very, very bright prospects. One is a southpaw, Hlumelo, and Oyisa is an orthodox. They're very exciting.
The prospects.
Yeah, they are very exciting, and also they are blessed with charisma. You know, that's another thing.
Yeah,
they're very charismatic. Very charismatic.
Sure.
Yeah, so they are future stars.
I would like to know about Aphiwe Mboyiya. Aphiwe Mboyiya is someone that many people believe that by now he's supposed to be a world champion. I believe last year your Anzana ibon postponement engaka. Kuthiwa uyalwa kule veki kuthiwa postpone kuthiwa uyalwa kule nyanga izayiphinde postpone. Mentally, how is Aphiwe Mboyiya and 2026? I know about une fight currently in place outside the country, but Aphiwe, we had a lot of hopes as a boxing community. This guy is going to be a world champion.
Yeah.
How is he now? And after Yonke Indo what's going on?
But Moyek, it's Indo beyond his control. He'll issue promoters. Promoters are not active.
Okay.
What happened last year really did affect him. In fact, I think it affected both boxers. He was affected by that. I mean, imagine training for 3 months for a fight and then it gets postponed. The last straw was when the fight got postponed, I think a week before.
Yeah.
And previously it was postponed after the weigh-in, Saskwele is gone.
Jeez.
Aibo.
So you can imagine what that does to his psychological. So
Jeez.
it did affect him. So after the November postponement, he took a break. So he's back in training.
Okay.
Yeah, preparing for his next fight.
Hey.
Before we close, we cannot go Singatetanga. There's a new kid in town, and I can see there's a ground up sports promotions. This is a new promotion, Akoyo, in town, and I've seen that they've been signing big names. They started Untantla, reviving career Untantla. Now, just recently, they signed Upanda, who has just left Club Boxing promotion, and the big name as well in the female side, Sheraton Fontaine. What's your say about this new promotion? It's something that we need. Stage
Mr. Makaza.
Yeah, Mr.
Nanmazele Puli.
Yeah. Now the bill that they're going to stage up to 2026. You have Untantla, you have Upanda, you have Usharatin on female, who's SA champion as well.
Good list.
Yeah.
Now I won't lie, I'm happy about a new promotion coming through because it gives us options now. Whereas we had only 2 promoters.
Okay.
So now we've got options. We were able to check which works better
it
for
doesn't
the
work.
boxers as
Okay.
well.
Okay.
So I'm excited about emergency ground up. They've shown a keen interest and love for the sport. I had to Sheraton fighting in one of their tournaments before they signed in December. I was impressed
Cape Town.
In Cape Town.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, in Cape Town. I was impressed with the quality of the show. I was impressed with the process and negotiations for the fight. I was impressed with the payment.
Okay.
The most important thing.
Not taking after 14 days.
Sheraton benefited.
Yeah.
So it's something that we need. It's something that is needed for boxing at large. So you can tell equality, you can measure equality by the boxers flocking to them.
I know.
That says something.
These are top classes, pa.
Yeah, but that says something. It also says something about their muscle as well, being able to accommodate stars.
The stars.
Checha,
Panda.
Days, 14.
Sheraton.
Nomeva
is also part of the team.
Nomeva is.
Yeah.
So it speaks volumes.
Good. Excuse me. Just few quick questions and before Sivale. It's easy. It's quick questions then Sivale. If boxing didn't exist, what do you think you'd be doing right now? Easy.
Fashion designer.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
What's one thing people always get wrong about you?
That I'm arrogant.
Okay. What's the most random thing you enjoy outside boxing? I can't life outside boxing. Who knows you better, who knows you better, your family or your boxers?
My family.
Okay, cool. I'm done. Okay.
My family, definitely.
I don't. Before we close,
but I'm not happy.
Can do it.
No,
the time it's we have
I'm not happy. Like I feel like there's a lot to explore, but like him, there's a lot
about him.
There's a lot about him, but
for sure,
but what the nice thing about these things that we do when a PK is that we are able to bring people to come back and tell their stories again.
Yeah.
But
Jensen, before we close, man, the exodus is still continuous, man. We saw the last one now. It's Sanel. So why just went to join Brian Mitchell. You know him from amateur, trained by you, the former SA champion Mr. Ncedo, and also managed by Shakes. Your words now is joining another big one, big stable as well, because Paya Konukuse, Konate Malajiga, and Dabezita Piri as well. So, your words to Kuse and Tlambi, we can expect more boxers as he
to supply. Yeah, we can if there's Mali is being tangled. If the carrot of the man is being tangled.
Yeah.
we should expect boxers to leave. But, I'm only concerned about sustainability of the exodus.
Yeah.
You know, because if at Joburg there's pressure by being there, you have to deliver. There's no room for losing there.
Yeah, you have to
Because
deliver.
once you lose there, they start doubting you. But maybe you're not what we think you are.
Hey.
That has happened to
Who said that?
to
Konje?
boxers.
Who said that? But if we are loser, are we not going to knockout to your chief
Yeah.
dog? Someone said that. I don't remember who said that.
There's a cost with being in Joburg. I'll be brutally honest with that. You pay the price for being in Joburg.
Also,
In the fact that, unlike us here, if my boxer loses, I'll bounce and I'll get him back again. I'll try and get him back. In Joburg, you lose, they move on to the next one. You lose, they move on to the next one.
event belt.
Factory. Yeah, but so
So-
there's a factory. So you lose, they come for the next one. So
We need to change
you pay
that.
that price.
We need to change that.
And you must pray that your move to Joburg will pay off.
We need to change that.
Because xa ubuya apha kuthi asizokufuna thina. So
I'm gonna V16. We're wishing you all the best, man. Hopefully, he'll have a successful career back with us at
Yeah.
Joburg, man. Otherwise, before we close, and as we're closing now, we have you to give you you will give us the top 5 boxers of all time. Your top 5.
my top 5.
Yeah. Apha kwi-Mecca.
Apha kweMecca.
Is it only Mecca or
Let's take Mecca.
Mecca, ne?
Let's take Mecca. Asuthetha ngomuntu wase-America.
Mecca.
yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but we start at home.
Start at home.
Yeah.
From number 5 to my number 1 favorite.
Yeah, 5,
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let me not put them in any random order, but I'll just give you my 5 boxers.
It's fine, Tina.
Zvuno number 1.
Number one.
Zvuno 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's only order.
Maniqale number 1 ma'am.
Top 5 boxers of all time.
My favorite boxer, my favorite South African boxer of all time, it has to be Mzukisi Skali. Mzukisi Skali, that is my favorite South
Shoot.
African boxer of all time.
Number 5.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Oh, okay.
That is my goat.
Yeah.
Zogis Skali.
Mzukisi Skali. Number 2, boxers that I've loved. I've loved Mthobeli Mhlophe.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Probably Hitman
Okay,
Shop.
okay.
This is my list and I have my reasons for loving him. You know,
No, just go for it.
yeah. So I
That's your top 5.
number 3. Hey, this boy Steven Onchinga has to be there.
Yeah.
Poison.
Yeah, I
2-time world champion.
I love
Poison.
Yeah.
Steven Onchinga has to be there. Then number 4, I would have Simphiwe Mfaneso. He was trained by my father, one of my favorite boxers.
Okay.
I would have Simphiwe Mfaneso as number 4. At number 5, in the province, Unomeva. I love that boy for various reasons.
Okay.
How he was able to do
Unomeva.
it with his talent.
Yeah.
So,
That's your top 5.
Top 5. Yeah, Mecca.
America.
In the world?
Outside.
In the world, my coach is Sugar Ray Leonard.
Aye.
Yeah, that's my number 1.
Okay.
Number 2, I would have Umakez. One menu.
Juan Marquez. Okay.
That's my number 2.
Benbuele into yakhe no Pacquiao.
Pacman.
Yeah, he matches up. I think
Yeah,
balwe
yeah.
4 times. Yeah.
4
Lead
times.
down.
You.
Lead
Yeah,
down.
your Marquez show.
At number 3, I would have Pac-Man.
Man, you pack.
Yeah, I love Pac-Man.
Okay.
At number 4, with the current crop of boxers, I would have Tank. I love that boy.
Okay.
At number 5, now I would have Bam Rodriguez. Yeah,
Bam,
new
bam,
one.
bam.
yeah, Bam.
No Floyd. No Oscar De La Hoya.
I'm not a Floyd fan. I'm not a Floyd fan.
Long sir.
Yeah.
When you are no longer here on this earth, what do you want to be remembered for?
I would love to be remembered for having given poor boys an opportunity to make something of their lives. Boys and girls. Legacy should be that I am what I am because of Lach Rodman. That's the legacy that I want to leave. That's what I'm striving for. Just to change, man. Generational what of these boys.
Generational wealth.
Yes.
Yeah, kuthiwa boxing is a poor man's sport.
Yes. So that's what I would love to leave behind. Yeah.
Nice one. Ladies and gentlemen. For the promotion.
In Tema, connect. The meeting is adjourned.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your support, man. And please keep on supporting us on Facebook as well, on YouTube.
Sports Edition ECTV.
Yeah, man. Cheers.
Makwekweta.
Thank you so much, Makwekweta.
Makwekweta.
Yeah. See you next time.
Sure, thanks.
All the
bro.
best.
Thanks.
We out. I want a brand of kumbela, bro.